right, here's this 2014. It is also a utility, 3000R. This one all has a 2100A unit on it though, rather than a 7300X. So, well, you already know what we're looking for, so let's just take a walk down the trailer here. We got some damage up there. Somebody run something down the side of it, but she's all fixed up. Let's see here. Some more hinge marks here. Normal wear and tear. We've got now this trailer here is something a little different. This came in on trade with super singles on it, and they switched it over to duals, but it had the long axles on it, so they had to swap out the whole axles, basically the whole suspension, basically the whole running gear under here is brand new. Never even been on the road, so I'm liking that. This trailer is $3,000 more than the other one, but it's a whole new undercarriage here. That's kind of a big deal because, I mean, that's where a lot of your cost for maintenance comes in, and I'd be good for several years probably with a whole new undercarriage. The outside of it's looking pretty good, and they put brand new rims on here, steel inside, aluminum outside, brand new recaps, which whatever, they're new. Still have the smart truck thing on here. We got the under tray underneath. This one still has the bumper flow thing intact. Boy, let's look here. Oh yeah, we don't like that right there. Gap in the doors, I don't like that at all, but we're gonna give it a chance. We're gonna look at the rest of it. The top looks great. This one isn't not bowed in at the top. Also got a replacement bumper on it here. Let's take a look at the inside of this baby. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice right there. Jump up in there and check the floor. See if we can see any daylight through that corner there. Yep, we see daylight. We see daylight. We absolutely do not want that. But perhaps I could negotiate that as part of the sale if the rest of the trailer passes what we want. This inside is really nice. The floor is nice. I don't feel any saggy spots yet. I'm pretty heavy, so I guess that's one of those things in life where it's a benefit to be a little heavy. I don't know. Bulkhead looks great. The upper seam all the way along looks real nice. This may have had some things replaced in it, but yeah, walls and floor are very straight and no disrepair any place. Once again, we got a finger chute along the top. I'm liking this trailer. I hope the rest of it passes because this might be the one I buy. This is like the only blemish in these walls right there. I'd just silicone that up. Food grade silicone. We are good to go. So we'll definitely mention that. Let's I'm gonna open this door, pull this other door shut, and check for daylight through that one. Didn't see any problems along the top there. We got loose gasket material up there, but we could probably get them to fix that also. All right, let's make a run down the passenger side here. We're looking good, looking good. This is in really good shape. Really good shape. So, okay, let's take a look at the underneath here. Boy, it's really slippery out here. Hope I don't fall and bust the concrete. Cross members up here. The apron looks good. Fuel tank mounts look good. Underneath the trailer, we got that chem light, aluminum cross members. looking good here. Airlines need a spring, definitely. At least one more spring to keep them up. So let's see what the real deal is with this suspension here. All new brakes, cans, airlines, slacks, S-cams, airbags. Every airline, tank is new. This is nice. The brakes. Looks like they threw some used rims on there for the inners. Who cares? Rims are rims. Everything under here is brand new. That is nice. I like that. The slider's brand new. You see the cylinder there for the slider. I like this. I'm liking this. This might be the trailer right here. I hope the unit's good. And this is also a Hendrickson suspension under here, which I prefer more than the Meritor. I got a Meritor on one of my other trailers, and it's a good system, but the bushings go bad, so it's a known issue. Let's go take a look at that unit. All right, so let's start with the side compartments. Battery in this one's fastened down. How do you like that? 816 on the battery. So the battery's 4 years old. A little old, but not much to throw battery in it. See, it's got a new receiver dryer up there, so maybe they changed the oil in the compressor already. I'll have to ask about that. Look over here. We don't have as much a clear picture over here as we do on the other one. But here we don't have oil all over the place. Remember on the other one, we had oil down here, oil on the door, oil on the back wall. Something was flinging oil. Compressor's not blowing oil all over the place. That's good. Let's see here. I can't see what the date was it was serviced. Oh, it was serviced 200 hours ago, it looks like, so that's good. Don't have as much corrosion all over the place. So check the oil in this thing, and we're going to run a pre-trip on it. Alright, 2100A is humming along here. Got it in a pre-trip mode. Sounds really good. Took me a while to get this thing going. It lost its prime. Had to get the service guy out here to get some fuel in there and warm it up, because they also didn't put any anti-gel in it when they dropped it with a full tank. So we got that baby fired up. She actually sounds way better than that 7300 did. I got it on a pre-trip, but I did discover something else. I want to show you something to look for on the Reefer. Problem with the floor in here, I didn't see it the first time, but on further inspection I see it now. So let's jump up in here. We've got some holes in the floor. It's corrosion. We got several of them along here in various different spots. So that's a problem. I'm gonna see if can get that addressed here as part of the deal, if we make a deal on it. And then also these airlines hanging down here need a spring. So if we can get the spring addressed, get the corner of this door addressed, and then that floor, maybe we can make a deal. But we're gonna talk to them a little bit about both trailers, and damn cold out here today. My hands are just frozen. So I'm gonna go inside now and talk to the salesman, see what's up. Well, I'm headed home. Went and talked to the salesman. We did strike up a deal on that 2014 there that I looked at. The 2015, I mean, the box is in good shape, undercarriage was in good shape, but I wasn't loving that unit. It needed too much. I probably could have got them to do it, but once I looked at this 14, the box was way better. Like the undercarriage was new, the suspension and the running gear and stuff, and couldn't get that unit started. Like I said, we got the service truck out and it was out of fuel, and what fuel was in there was gelled up. So I don't know how long that trailer's been sitting there. Unit fired right up like a champ and ran I was impressed. It's got 3,000 hours more on it than the other unit. Boy, she purred like a kitten, and everything was good on it. No leaks, belts were good, battery's good, compressor's good. So I'm going with that one. Now, shortage of trailers and stuff, I wasn't successful on the price negotiating it, but I knew that going into it. I just traveled 450 miles to go find these two trailers to look at, and I went there with the intention to buy a trailer, or if they weren't suitable, walk away. So I ended up paying price for it, full price for it. But we did get them to, we're getting them to fix that door, fix the, pound out the metal, put new gaskets on that door so it seals up tight. Full DOT inspection. They're going to service the unit and a spring for the underneath there. And this is huge, they're putting a whole new floor in it for me. So I can't pick up this trailer for maybe today's Thursday, maybe even next Friday. They got to get the floor in, and it's about a 3-day process to put it in. But that's a pretty good thing to ask for and to have them do. So I'm pretty satisfied with it. I could have found 2014s cheaper, probably $4,000 to $5,000 cheaper, but man, I got a whole new running gear and a new floor in the thing. So I'm pretty satisfied, and that trailer's going to be good for me for a while. So yeah, when I go to pick it up, we'll do another video, show you the new floor. We'll talk about a little bit how they do it. I got the lowdown on it, how they put the new floor in, and yeah, show you the finished product, and we'll get that baby on the road. So thanks for watching. Check out all the links in the description below. Got some good discounts down there, and check out the videos on the screen now if you like more videos like this. Take it easy, everybody.